Hello everybody, and welcome to our last video on vectors prerequisite skills, where we're going to talk about solving a triangle. And this one is, we have to draw the picture. So I'm going to start by drawing a triangle. Now this isn't to scale, it's just because it's easier to draw it using a shape. So we've got angle X, Y, and Z, and it says that angle X is 60 degrees, angle Y is 70 degrees, and we know that side XY is 6 units long, and we need to find the missing sides and angles. So in this case, my first job is I'm going to find angle Z. And I know that because I have a triangle, all of the sides will add up to 180. So if I take 180 degrees and take away 60 degrees and take away 70 degrees, I find out that angle Z is 50 degrees. Okay. My next job is I want to find the length of this side, which I'm going to call little y, and I have to find this side, which is called little x. Okay. Now, I can use the sine law, so I'm going to find side little x. Okay, and I'm going to use the sine law. Okay, so I'm going to say that x over sine x equals z over sine z. Okay, and now y could play in there too. You can have it's also equal to y over sine y, but I only need two fractions to solve this ratio and to solve this problem. And I already know the length of side z and the measurement of angle z. So side little x we don't know, but we know angle x is 60. Side little z is 6, because it's across from angle z. And angle z, we just found out, is 50 degrees. So we can say that side x is equal to sine 60 times 6 over sine of 50. Remember to include your angles with the sine. It's not just 6 over 50, it's 6 over sine 50. That's a different value. And I'm going to type into my calculator sine 60 times 6 and divide it by sine 50, and I get 6.78. It says 2-digit accuracy, so I'm going to leave it at 6.78. And the last thing I'm going to do is find side y. Remember, I can't use Pythagorean theorem here because this is not a right angle triangle. That's a common mistake. But I can use the sine law again. So I can say y over sine y equals z over sine z. And I could have used the x over sine x here. I just try to use as much information that I'm given from the problem as possible. So I'm going to fill in the values that I know. I know angle y is 70. I know side little z is 6. And angle z is 50. So side little y is equal to sine 70 times 6 over sine 50. And if I type all that into my calculator, sine 70 times 6 divided by sine of 50, I get 7.36. We weren't given units in the question, so we can just leave that as 7.26. Thank you. Have a great day.